Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to install ChatGPT official apps on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. If you have installed the official ChatGPT desktop application on your Windows 11, then you can simply follow this method to install the application. Simply here on the search option, search for ChatGPT. So here we have the application, right click on it, then click on install and here click on install. There is also another method to install ChatGPT official application. For that, simply open settings, click on apps, here click on installed apps. Now here look for ChatGPT application. If you want, you can also use the search option. So here we have the ChatGPT application. Click on this three dot icon, then click on install. Now here click on install. This will remove the application. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.